Alright guys, welcome back, another video here. Got my bike right here, Yamaha Raider. Yeah, had to cop a little toy for myself. No, I'm just messing with y'all. This is my cousin's bike. But today on the Lexus, me and my cousin, what we're doing, we're changing my sunroof seal. So I get a little bit of wind noise sometime when I'm driving with the sunroof closed. So I saw in the forum one guy, he said it's easier to just remove the torque bit screws from the inside, or the star bit. Raise it up first and then remove the screws, and then we should be able to lift it and remove the seal. So let's get in here. It's right here. This is the back. We're not removing that. Hold on, let me try to get my light here. Hold on. It was right there where my finger is. That's where the front is. So I'm gonna already remove that one. My cousin right here. And you could, hold on, let's focus this camera. There you go, we removed that one already. No need to touch the back, and at this point we should be able to lift the sunroof straight up. So go ahead, man, lift it up.
You wanted to loosen up these?
Nah, cause
right here, a little loose.
That one?
Yeah.
You lose that one already?
Yeah.
You did that one?
Mm-hmm. Both sides, tighten it back up.
Yeah, tighten it back, because those back ones that deals with lifting the sunroof at the back, and I don't want to adjust the lift.
Gotcha. So just tighten this back up.
So.
And hand tighten first.
Oh, you took that one out?
No, I just tightened it.
Okay.
I just loosen them a little bit. Didn't want to take them out. Yeah, be very gentle. You don't strip this.
While he do that, let me go ahead and get the seal. Well, the weather strip, I should say. Right here. All right. OEM weather strip. I already lined it up on the roof. And yeah, I just threw it on there. That's a wrap, so no big deal. But yeah. So let me wait a little bit more till he's done. Then we're just gonna push the sunroof up and take it from there. All good?
Yep.
All right, let's lean back a little bit. Zoom out. There you go. So now we should be able to just lift it up. Go straight up. And there we go. There you go. And let's see from the outside. No, you don't gotta support it for now. If it falls back down?
Well, yeah.
Alright, so let me get something to support it. Alright, let me just pause it, guys.
Alright, so what we did here was got two rubber bushings. We use that because you don't want to scuff, scrape, scratch, chip anything, so you got to preserve this. So here we're gonna
swinging. Rubber gang.
Rubber gang, huh?
Alright, so let's see. So a way to line this up, could you see it? You got these little aqua colored dots,
Yes.
right? There's two here, and they're directly on each side. And if you could see from the inside, they're right here on each side also.
Oh, okay.
Like it should be like somewhere here.
Oh, see it. Yes.
Right. So we use that to line up how we took it off.
That's how you line it up, guys, in the corners.
All right.
One there, and one on this corner. You see it peeking right next to the red piece? On the right side of the red rubber grip? Right there. Alright.
All right. So now, should be able to just peel. I'm
Right.
gonna peel up.
So he's gonna do what he normally does and take the rubber off.
Oh, you got jokes. So pretty easy, you just peel it, comes right up. Now, are you able to grab that piece and still record?
Yeah.
Because I wanna line this up exactly the same way with the old one.
Alright.
Now we gotta know where I'm
Get it
starting.
as far as you can get it.
Pull that piece back to you. Hold on. Where is it? It's right
There's
here.
one there.
Right here, so it goes like this.
Alright, so I have one.
You should have two blue dots in your
Yeah, I see it. One here,
All
one
right,
here.
so you just peel that straight up and just pull it back towards you.
Alright, guys. So for everyone that want to see how to do this, this is the Oh, there we go. Got it. This is the do-it-yourself. We're gonna put the old rubber on the floor.
I wonder, should I
Clean it
you
first.
think I should clean this out a little
Yeah, I
bit?
think we should clean this a little bit.
Let me run it right if you want to. All right, so we're gonna need 2 hands to do this. So he gonna try to adjust that side. I'm gonna adjust this side.
4 hands. You have to. I have to.
Oh. We need 4. I said 2 hands. We need 4 hands to do this. All right, so
Line up your little.
so the blue dots. I got my blue dots. All right. Okay.
Start with the bottom.
Now what you say? You turn the corners and push up. Push up.
Yeah, slight push up.
So there's grooves in here. You just catch the lip and then you just push up. So let's see if I get any luck. All right. Go.
Yeah, start this side.
Nah, man.
No, it's not working out.
Not for me.
All right.
The hell?
Go come hold my
I want to
hand.
switch sides. Dudes on the phone talking about they did this 30 minutes by themselves.
Oh, it's fine.
Well, hold it up. Let me. I gotta do this first. Say a little audio really quick on this. He said he put the screw in and show you the final work. Easy work. All right, guys. So, yeah, that was a little bit of a chore. At first we had said you snap it in from the bottom and then you go up, but you really sit it on top of the glass, like right at the edge, and then you come down this way, and it snaps in all around. Now it's gonna look like the seal is too long, but it's actually short enough. We had a little bit of space here. We felt like it was too long, but it's perfectly fine. Now when you sit it on top and you snap down this way, you got to also snap in from the bottom. Is another piece, because it's like a big groove. Like, it makes more sense to show you. So you see the grooves right here, that channel that goes right there. So when you sit it like that, you also snap it back up from the bottom, and that's how you fully lock it in place. So we did that. Definitely a 2-man job. Now I'm just gonna go in here and we're going to tighten back. Let me get some light. Well, first we got to lower the sunroof back down. So man, you wanna lower it back down? Should try to get some. I'm trying to get a good video of it. Let's see. Maybe I can get it from this side. There you go. So you see it right there. I got my light on, but we're just gonna screw that back in, and then we're gonna show you guys when we're finished. Yeah. All right. So we'll pick it back up. Okay. So we got the torque bit or star bit back right there. Tighten that one back up since we didn't really need to take that out. But it's in place. I'm not going to show you that one. It's already in place. So now, there you go. That's the star bit or torque bit, whatever you want to call it. The size we needed was the T25, and this comes with the whole set. We got this from Advanced Auto. T25 again. That's the size you need. But yeah, so go ahead and close it manually. Let me make well. Close it all the way. That's fully closed. Okay, so you see what happened here, guys? We got some space right here because we loosened this one. So we pretty much got to loosen this one a little bit, raise it back up, and then tighten it. So I'll get back to you guys when we're fully adjusted. All right, guys, so we got it back flush. This was just an overcut, well, an undercut, I should say. when we wrap the roof. But yeah, got it back flush. Everything looks good. From the inside, I just need to, you know, this just slides right back in place and forward, and that's good to go. But yeah, so that's how you change your sunroof seal. The OEM part number, I'll put it in the description. But yeah, thanks for watching. Until then, keep Lexing on them. Peace.